Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, pound US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you are interested in the analysis of other pairs, do check out the Forex analysis playlist. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. If you have watched my previous videos, then you recognize these lines pretty well, because in my earlier videos I clearly mentioned that market will be facing resistance at this level, and as expected market did face resistance and market is coming down. On the other hand, to be very honest, I did not expect that market will be bouncing with this much power. Yeah, really, I was not expecting that market will be so much bullish. But yes, I did mention that market will be facing resistance here and market is facing. Anyways, let's do the analysis first. Okay. So this is the chart of GBP USD in front of us, and you can see that this market is still in downtrend. Yes, this market is still in downtrend. You can clearly see that though there was a sharp reversal in this particular portion here, but this market is under the influence of sellers, because you can clearly see on the chart that market is not showing us any signal of trend reversal. So therefore overall trend of the market is towards the downside. And if we look at the present trend of the market here, then we can see that the present trend of the market is also towards the downside only. But we cannot deny the fact that buyers are also present in the market and they are also trying their best to take the price upward. And we get this feeling from here, because when market formed these green candles, then it was pretty clear to us that buyers are also present in the market. Try to understand the market psychology. Okay. But one thing we cannot deny, that though buyers are trying their best to take the price upward, but still market is traveling or trading in a downward channel here. If you do not have got these lines in your trading platform, my dear friend, then I'll request you to please draw these lines so that you can understand the market better, so that you can understand the chart better. So this line is still a valid resistance for the market, and when we join these price levels, we get a support for the market. Therefore we have a dynamic resistance and we also have a dynamic support for the market. And considering the overall trend of the market and present trading possibilities, then we can clearly see that market is standing at a good position right now to short the market here, because you can see that stochastic RSI is also indicating that it is in the overbought zone. Market has also reached the trend line, which is acting as a resistance, and market is coming down. Therefore looking at these possibilities, so I'll say that this is a good position to short the market. But my dear friend, this is market, we cannot be 100% sure. Therefore keep in mind that you should always follow risk management properly, and please do not follow 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because traders like you, traders like me, we do not drive the market. There are big players in the market who decide the direction of the market. So be very careful and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because this is my analysis. I may be wrong also. Okay. Therefore you can short the market right now, but please follow strict risk management, and then only you short the market. Okay, so this is your first trading opportunity in the chart of GBP USD, and I would like to show you a few more things here. If we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you can see that in the Forex sentiment meter is also telling us that 71% retail traders have taken short position and only 28% retail traders have taken long position, which means that most of the retail traders are short in this market. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money, and whenever we see a scenario like this, then there is a caution that market may go up. Because see, it may sound very bad, it may sound very harsh, but yes, the retail traders, 90% retail traders lose money, and most of the time you'll see that market is going up, they have taken short position, market is going down, they have taken long position. So Right now we are seeing a good position to short the market, but retail traders have already short the market. Therefore, be very careful. Market may reverse also. see, see, if we do the analysis, okay, things may seem very good and beautiful right now, but market may change the direction at any point of time, and we cannot be too sure. Therefore, strict risk management. On the other hand, the main thing that may drive the market today is, let me show you, this. You can see that I have also added economic calendar on my website. If you do not know about my website, then it's avilashhazarika.com. Under Forex 101 section, you will find many things like Forex sentiment meter, the Forex heat map, position size calculator, Forex volatility calculator, economic calendar. In the economic calendar, you can see that tomorrow PMI report will be coming out of from EU, European Union, the UK, and the USA. They'll be releasing their PMI report. So PMI report is nothing but the Purchasing Managers Index, and it measures that if it is over 50, then industry is expanding, and if it is below 50, then the industry is contracting. Okay. So it has a direct impact on currency pairs like Euro USD, Euro GBP, Pound USD. So there may be a good moment in the market if the after the release of the PMI report, and you can see that PMI report will be coming out after some time. Okay, you can go after coming down to the economic calendar here. You can see that there are many reports that will be coming out today, but you just need to focus on the high impacts. You can see that, for example, this was a market PMI composite. Impact was high. See, you can see the previous was 60. Consensus was 60.8, and the actual that result came out, it was 62.50. So it was good one. So you can see that for the PMI of EU, European Union, it's 59.50. Previous year it was 59.50. Now they are expecting 60. Let's see how the result comes out. So if after the result there may be some volatility in the market, there may be some good jump in the market, or market may go down also, but be very careful, because I clearly mentioned that there will be direct impact on the Euro USD, Euro GBP, and GBP USD. And if you go to the dollar index chart also, this is a dollar index chart. You can see that dollar is still bullish, and it is still respecting this trend line as a valid support. As we all know, if dollar starts going up, then currency pairs like Euro, GBP will be going down. And right now you can see that dollar is also going up. Dollar has respected again the trend line, but there is not much movement in the market of dollar also. Therefore, do not think that dollar will be very bullish. Okay, just keep your eyes on PMI index also if you want. There may be volatility in the PMI index, or if you want to short the market right now, you can short the market, but be very careful. Extremely careful. And if you want to avoid the market for today, you can avoid also. Honestly speaking, I will just avoid the market for today. I will not trade, because things are not adding up. Okay, I'm not convinced. Okay, so totally up to you. It is my duty to share the analysis and strategy with you, so that you do not make huge loss. So this is it. If you want, hopefully you understood. I'm totally messed up today. Bye bye, take care. I'll be coming down tomorrow again with the analysis for the coming week. See you tomorrow.